The thing I'm still not letting go of. I'll be honest with this one. There's something I know I should delegate, but I haven't. And it's not because I don't have the people for it. It's not because someone else can't do it better. It's something else altogether. For the longest time, I told myself it was about control. You know, I just want to make sure it's done right. I will hand it over when things are stable. It's faster if I just do it. But if I sit with it a little longer, that's not really it. It's the feeling that comes with doing it. At some point, I got really good at this. People noticed, people appreciated, and without realizing it, it became my thing. So even though I have outgrown it, even though I know my time is better spent elsewhere, there's a part of me that still goes back to it. Not because it's needed, but because it feels familiar. And maybe this is something we don't talk about enough. Delegation isn't always about capability. Sometimes it's about identity. There's a shift that happens at some point from being the person who does the work to being the person who builds the people who do the work. And on paper, that sounds like growth. In reality, it feels like stepping away from something that once made you feel seen. I'm still figuring this out, still noticing where I step in when I don't need to, still catching myself holding on a little longer than I should. So, I leave you with this. What's the one thing you keep doing even though you know you don't have to anymore? Not because it's critical, but because a part of you still enjoys being the one who does it. That's probably the place to start. This is Clarity with Priya.